What yellow? What do you mean? Banana or durian?
예.
Oh, you mean the heart?
네. 아니 노란색 다 날렸어요.
I see. Then why don't you upgrade your heart point, like hit point? How many hearts do you have now? The red heart. 3?
예, 5개인데
5, okay.
제가 극복의 중인가? 사당에서 그거 3개쯤.
Yeah, 3. You gain 3, and then you can
네.
exchange with 1 heart or slightly like a little bit of stamina.
근데 스태미나는 아주 조금 올려요.
Okay. So maybe you need to clear some shrine first. Then you can get the token. Then you can upgrade your heart hit point, red heart.
이제 노란색 다 날렸어.
So did you kill him? Did you catch Lionel?
No.
No, you didn't.
아니 그걸 어떻게 안 하는 거예요? 아니 그다음 제가 히녹스를 만났는데 잘 때
히녹스.
몰래 가가지고 그냥 20짜리 칼로 그냥 기모았더니 죽었어요.
Really? One shot. That's great. Then what about that? Did you know about fairy? Fairy. Okay. You know, in Zelda,
이게 뭐예요?
in Legend of Zelda, there's wardrobe or closet.
뇌인 줄 알았네.
No.
얘 알아요. 전 얘 만났어요. 얘 만나가지고
I know,
백루피
right?
줘가지고.
But then there's one fairy.
얘인데 얘.
Looks like no, not this one. Yeah, this. Do you know this?
알아요.
Fairy, yeah.
알아요. 얘 살려주잖아요.
Oh, right.
얘 진짜 많았는데
Uh-huh.
다 사라졌어. 이거 많은데 알아요. 여기에서 진짜 많아요.
Oh, right. Yeah. Near
Highlight
here
조도
you can get this fairy, little fairy will make you survive even when you die.
근데
Uh-huh.
하트가 너무 많으면 하트 다 못 채워줘요. 얘가.
Right. This will probably give you like 4 hearts.
네.
I think so.
저는 예전에 이상한 게 있어요.
What is it?
가디언이랑 싸웠거든요.
Guardian.
이거
You mean, Guardian? Really?
네, 이거 하나로 싸웠는데 맞았어요. 근데 이게 살려주고 또 맞았는데 또 살려주고 하나밖에 없었는데 걔.
This is Guardian, right?
얘였어요.
Yeah.
너무 약해요.
Really?
Yeah.
You think this is really weak? Oh, this is cute.
아니 이건 그거 그냥 칼도 든 놈도 있고.
The little ones. Yes, you're right.
근데 이런 애들 무시하면 안 돼요.
Oh.
이건 뭐야?
This one? I don't know.
얘요. 또 조그만 가디언이 있는데 그건 또.
I know this one. Yeah, just like this.
이거 가디언 X.
They have new
나 이거
many
있는데.
different weapons. And when you kill it, then you can get this weapon.
알아요. 근데 이게 어디 있는지 모르겠어요.
Shrine.
예?
Shrine.
그게 어디예요? 사당이 있잖아요.
Right.
그러니까
In shrines, you can see some guardians, small guardians. Okay, shrine guardian.
알아요. 많이 있는데 근데 저는 뭐 그냥 이런 애들 말고 얘.
This?
예.
얘는
만나봤어요. 얘는 한번 컷인데.
I see. This one's special, right?
맞아요. 이거 어떻게 선생님 했어요, 얘?
Yeah, of course.
이렇게 올라가는 데잖아요.
Yeah, this one shoots the razor like round a lot.
예.
Then you can use the parasail to fly with the wind. That's how you beat this guardian.
나 이거 있는데.
Oh, guardian weapon farming. All tasks of strength shrines. Aha! It's called strength shrines. when you go to strength shrines, you fight guardian. So let's see where are strength shrines. Okay.
저는 뭐 보이는 곳은 다 가요.
So let's see where it is. These are strength shrines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 strength shrines. So you go there, you fight guardian, and you get weapon.
저가 이거 성이 이것보다 한참 더 큰데.
Maybe. Not sure. Hey, do you have this armor?
감시요? 이거요?
Do you have it?
없어요.
You don't. Okay. Then what about others? Okay, some special armor. Okay. Aha. We have a lot here.
여자 옷 입고.
So how many do you have? You have this.
예, 근데 이거 유튜브에서 봤는데 이거 쓰고 모니터 하다가는 다 도망간다요.
Oh, really?
예. 근데 신수 다 깨야 돼요. 이거 입고.
Oh, that's the Zora set.
그럼 또
Oh, I have this. I have this. I think you have this. You have this, right?
이것도 있고.
What's this?
이것도 있고.
Higher set.
이것도 있고. 이것도 있고.
This one you can buy in the bird village. Yes.
아니 근데 머리가 1000루피잖아요.
Right, it's expensive.
그냥 바지가 550루피. 옷이 뭐였더라? 150루피.
Was it? I don't remember, but I think the hat, the helmet was really expensive.
아니 저는 이거 샀는데 머리에 돈 다 날렸어요.
So did I.
이건 뭐지? 이 옷 갖고 싶은데. 특히
Wild
이 옷.
set.
이거 얻는 법은 알아요.
You know, if you wear this wild set, then you can see monsters' hit point.
알아요. 이거 아니에요.
This one, what's that? I think this one. Yeah, you're right. So champion's tunic.
이거 그거잖아요.
Barbarian set is really good.
이거 좋은 건데.
And this one's necessary. This one you can climb the mountain quicker.
진짜 빨리 올라. 이거 어떤 사람은 이거 썼거든요. 안 통해요.
Wait, I have this rubber set. You know, in the desert, there's lightning. Boom, 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 boom.
그게 뭐예요?
Lightning. Do you know lightning?
물.
Okay. This is lightning in the desert.
네, 번개.
Yeah, but with this armor, you're okay. The
괜찮아요.
rubber set.
아니 옷 벗으면 돼요. 옷 벗으면.
I know, but when you have the sword and shield, lightning hits you, strikes you.
네.
But when you wear the rubber set, then you're fine.
아니 근데 이건 어떻게 하는데? 그거 어디서 얻어요?
In the desert. Okay, rubber set. Okay.
옷 많아요?
DOTW rubber set. Well, I can show you.
4명이 두고 얻으러 갔는데 걸렸어.
Yeah, this is the rubber set.
뭐?
You can check it out.
이거 있어요.
Which one? This one? You have?
네,
Are you sure?
다 있어요. 바지 빼고. 바지는 이거 낡은 바지는 있을 텐데. 마법관.
Have you been there?
네.
Oh, I see. Do you have some horse now?
네. 이거 스피드 4개 잡았고 했는데
Good.
형민이가 죽였어. 네, 없앴어요. 마스터 바이크다.
Do you have this?
있어요, 선생님.
I had. Yeah.
아,
But now I don't because I started new.
처음부터 했어요.
Yes.
왜 처음부터 했어요?
Because I wanted to play new game. So now I didn't even clear the elephant and also other things. No, I have nothing. But I start again. 3 hit points, 3 hearts. No stamina.
스태미나 가져왔어요.
No
아
stadium.
맞다. 젤다로 플레이할 수 있긴 한데.
Really? How?
그건데 저는 할 수 있을걸요.
How? I don't understand.
저도 까먹었어요. 이 말.
I have this horse.
이 말.
I have this horse.
저가 잡을 수 있긴 한데.
Yeah. Plays Princess Zelda. I wanna play as Zelda. I wanna know.
이거. 이런 표정. 이거 라이넬인가?
Yeah, it's Lionel.
진짜 징그럽다.
Lionel is okay. It's easy. I can help you a bit. It's not difficult.
저가 무기가 최대한 좋은 게 45밖에 없어가지고.
That's enough. That's enough. More than enough.
이것도 뭐 광고에서 본 것 같은데.
I didn't. But who is it? Is it Zelda?
젤다.
I didn't know.
이 강아지 얘가 이렇게 좋아하는데 갑자기 동물신수가 개가 나타났거든요. 돼지 꿀꿀이가. 거기에서 얘가 월호를 해가지고 이렇게 방어했어.
I see.
아니 근데 리절 보스가 아우 이러던데.
Really?
네.
How come I didn't know? I didn't know. Wow. This is stronger.
얘 약해요. 이런 적이 있긴 한데. 이렇게 사진으로 찍었어요. 신의 말 봤어요? 신의 말 봤어요?
No, I didn't.
실제로 봤는데
God?
찍었어요.
You mean God?
네?
No, I didn't. I saw on YouTube,
유튜브.
but not in my game. No, I didn't.
근데 그거는 좋은 점이 그냥 A 누르면 빨라지지. 그건 달리는 거잖아요. 근데 그게 A 눌렀죠? 바로 생겨나요.
I see.
이게 뭔 젤다야?
I don't know. I don't think that's Zelda.
저 예전에
Link.
파란색 깼는데 진짜 이 화석이 있어요.
I see. So that's about Zelda. Yeah, Zelda is fun to play, especially when do you play handheld mode?
모드?
Yeah, handheld mode or on TV.
아니 해봤는데 젤다전서는 안 해봤고 마리오 파티 뭐 이런 걸로 해봤고.
I see.
근데 이렇게 크진 않은데.
Maybe not. It's a little exaggerated. He looks a little too big. Do you know this horse?
근데 이게 뭔 뜻이에요?
BOTW?
네.
Breath of the Wild. Zelda Breath of the Wild.
홀스.
This horse.
아,
Big horse.
알아요.
I have this horse. But
아니.
not fast.
느려요? 이거
it's
몇 갠데요?
4, I think 4, but it's slow. It's not fast.
얘 잡았다고요, 저는 얘.
This is good.
아니 근데 저 얘 왜 잡았는지 알아요?
Why?
아니 어떤 놈이 어떤 여자가 이마를 타고 있는 거예요. 너무 끔찍해가지고 저도 잡아봤는데 쉽게 잡았어요. 아니 그다음 이거 있어요.
What?
이렇게 뭐 이런 데 있잖아요. 이렇게 올릴 수 있는 거.
Yeah, sure.
아니 근데 저는 갑자기 그렇게 돼가지고 이 동물에서 못 나왔어요. 이렇게 돼서 못 나왔어요. 그래가지고 결국엔 오프했어요.
Maybe it has some glitches too. I don't know. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Okay. You go there, then there's big horse, and all the other horses are following this big horse.
얘가 보스예요.
Yeah.
선생님은 이름 뭐로 지었어요?
Summer.
썸머?
Yesterday I got one horse, and I named it Summer. One horse really slow, 3 like giddy up. How can I say? I don't remember.
선생님,
What?
선생님은 스피드 4개 많이 잡아봤어요.
No, just This is actually speed 5. Where is it? Yeah, 5. And with some tools, you can go like
이거
6.
6개 아니에요?
Later, you can increase until 6 if you have some tools to increase.
아니 L 누르면 오호 하잖아요.
Oh, right. Oh. And then
근데-
there's heart.
아니 하트가 아니라 동그라미가
Do you know
나와요.
you can give apples to horses?
아니.
You know? Oh,
근데
yeah.
제가 얘가 먹으려고 하거든요. 너무 못생겨가지고
어.
때려가지고 이거 내 거야.
Okay.
와 얘는 다 귀엽다 좀.
No, they are big too, but this is just too big.
아니 얘한테 이거 한 대 맞으면 저 끝장이에요.
Maybe. Maybe. This horse is really strong.
아니 마스터스로 때려도 안 되던데.
I don't know. Can you actually kill horses? Can you kill a horse?
예.
Oh, I see.
아니 근데
Uh-huh.
여기 엉덩이에 그거 점난 거 있잖아요.
I don't remember now. This one? Maybe this.
뭐 이런 건데 뭐
Yep.
점난 거. 어떤 사람은
Oh.
이 이름을 빤스라고 지었어요.
Really?
아니 그래서 기저귀에 찬 것 같다.
Okay, then that should be like diaper. But anyways, yeah, there's something that someone DOTW summoning.
아니 근데 이렇게 크진 않았는데 내가 봤을 때.
That's really big actually.
아니 진짜 이런 거 어떻게 꾸며요? 형은 검은색 말 겨우 잡았는데 드론과 대형이 죽였대요.
So you know, there's function that you can teleport your horse. So what is it?
나 얘도 받긴 했는데.
I can't find it.
그래서 얘 진짜 정체가 뭔지 모르겠어.
Lionel? It's Lionel.
아니 라인을 말고 위로 가봐요.
What?
이 말 정체가 뭐예요?
This one?
빛나는데.
It's not shining, is it? I don't think it's shining. It's just raining. I'm not sure.
이렇게 오픈. 이게 뭐지? 이게 뭐예요?
What? This one? Oh,
무엇인가?
Asian settle. This is good. I can show you. This is amazing tool to summon your horse.
와.
It's not. It increases 2 points here.
형도 이거
To gallop points.
많이 했는데
Uh-huh.
얘가 죽었다. 얘.
Oh, that's sad. Black horse. Okay, wait a second.
얘는 검은색만 잡았는데 아니 1100권에도 안
Ah,
잡았어요.
that one. Yeah, Asian bridle.
신의 말보다 잡기가 어려워요.
This is actually amazing. You know, you can call your horse anywhere you want. So you whistle, then horse comes right here.
이거 아니야? 휘휘휘휘
Something like that.
하면서 오잖아요. 네, 멧돼지 잡아봤어요.
Oh yeah, sure.
재밌는 고기. 저는 모코블린이가 잡아가지고 먹는 거 봤는데 몰래 뺏었어요. 저.
Oh yeah. They cook. They cook.
이러잖아요. 뭐 안 잡히나
Right. I saw yesterday the boar. Do you know boar?
아니 근데
I can show you boar.
뭘? 배열 아니에요.
Oh, almost. But
살 수 있지 않아요, 배열. 저는 흰옥색 뼈다귀
this is boar.
흑돼지인가요?
Wild
멧돼지.
boar. Yeah, wild boar. Yesterday I saw two. What did you say? Bokoblin. Two bokoblins were fighting
저는
boar.
보코블린 봤거든요.
Uh-huh.
보코블린이 저는 맨 처음에 제자들들 게임할 때 보코블린이 이름이 이건 줄 알았어요. 돼지 몬스터.
Looks
이
like.
코가
Looks like it.
저는 실제로 산에서 얘 본 적 있어요.
Really?
도망갔어요.
You should. When did you see?
한 2017년에
Okay, 2017
8년.
or 18.
이게 어떤 돼지예요?
This is wild boar. It's a pig, but very strong pig.
세요?
And smart.
똑똑해요.
They are smart.
탈 수 있나?
Dangerous.
얘 다리가 부서졌나? 아니 이거 멧돼지 어디서 찾은 거지?
Let's see. I wanna see.
돼지가 귀엽네.
4 spot. The spotted boar.
강아지 같아. 강아지랑 돼지랑 합친 거예요. 뭐야? 뭐야 이거 뭐야?
There's a big boar.
이 테러보.
I don't know. It looks like it's another game
외계인
called Red
있었다.
Dead Redemption, but
굳은 돼지예요. 굳은 돼지.
not sure. So I don't know. That's pretty much about Breath of the Wild. And what else is interesting?
또
Is there anything interesting?
신기한 게 있긴 한데
Tell me.
자연스럽에서 제가 보꼬블린 거기 있잖아요. 파란색. 원래 제가 파란색이 거기에서 뭐 자국 있었는데 검은색이 언제 나와가지고 이제 보는 보코블린은 다 검은색밖에 없었어요.
Okay.
그래가지고 검은색 다 이기고 나중에 하얀색이 안 나오는 거예요.
Okay, Ethan.
네.
Let's speak in English and
Yeah.
I'll help you.
네.
I'll help you make any sentence you want.
선생님,
So what do you wanna
형이
say?
그러던데 선생님이 20살 때고 I am 헝그리라고 한다고 했는데.
Yeah, I couldn't speak. 24 years old, me, I couldn't speak in English at all.
아니 저는 선생님이 한 8살 한 6살 때부터
No.
잘했는데
I was 24 years old and I couldn't speak I'm hungry. I always said I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Because I was really bad in English.
아니 근데
Then I learned.
영어는 어떻게 배웠어요?
Well, I learned English by not saying Koreans. Like, you speak only English, then you can be good in English. Just don't say anything in Korean and speak only English.
아니 그럼 한국 사람한테도 영어로
Yeah, I didn't talk with Koreans. I didn't.
그렇구나. 이제 한국어보다 영어를 더 잘해요, 그럼?
No. Of course, my mother tongue is Korean, so my Korean is a lot better than English. But still, English is fine to me. So you just said, do you feel that English is easier than Korean? That's your sentence. Do you feel that English is easier than Korean? So what do you want to say? Anything. Just say anything.
바보라고. 바로.
Ethan, you speak more English than English will be yours.
네.
I don't know. It's okay, Ethan, maybe we check homework first.
숙제했나?
Yeah, I think so. Can you show me homework?
그런 거 같은데. 응?
What's that? Is there anything funny?
형이 바지를 이거 또 입었는데 입었거든요 바지를 또 입었어요. 웃기진 않네. 이건가? 이거다 이거 진짜 많이 틀렸어요.
It's okay.
이거 틀렸고 이거 틀렸고 그다음 또 이거 이거다 4개 했다 4개.
Alright.
아씨 뭐야 이게 뭐야? 4개 4개 참.
Okay, wait.
오늘 선생님 뭐 여행 많이 가겠네.
Yeah, I travel not a lot, but yes, to many countries, like 14.
우리
It's alright.
할아버지는
Huh?
우리 할아버지는 모든 나라 다 갔대.
Really? That's great. So how many times did you try? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 6? Or 7? 6. Okay. Then how many did you get right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's great. You start and you try more, then you can get more points.
선생님 다음 진학까지 몇 시에요?
71 first. Okay, let's do this first. What's yours now? Where are you? Where are your Pokemon here? Uh-huh.
다음 라운드. 뭐야?
Okay.
얘네
This one?
아닌가?
Did you do it last time or did you not do it?
아 이거 안 했고
I don't
2분이
remember.
했어요.
Right.
그다음에 했어요.
So okay. So next is 250.
피카츄.
Okay, 6,000. I think 120. Oh no, 50. Okay.
오늘 100 몇 년이에요?
I'm not sure. Yep. No, that's too much.
네. 6천.
This much. So next page. What is next page? Is it next page?
네, 이게
Okay, this is next page then.
이거 진짜 많이 들어.
Okay, so let's see.
아,
How many times did you try? Is it
선생님
6?
잠깐만요.
What? 6 times.
잠깐만 것 같은데. 아니네.
And then how many? You got 3 right. It's okay. You do more, you get better. Alright, let's just get some points now. I don't know. We can either talk or we can do some Quizlet too. So okay, maybe we talk.
이거 뭐야?
I don't know.
처음 보는 포켓몬.
Really? It's new to you? Maybe then your brother likes Pokemon more than you do. Okay? So what do we do now? We talk about things. So how long did you play Zelda Breath of the Wild yesterday? How long?
플레이드,
Uh-huh.
젤다, 풀,
Mm-hmm. 3.
미니.
3 minutes? Only 3 minutes? Really? 30 minutes. Okay. Mm-hmm. But do you want to play Zelda longer time?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Make a sentence, please.
모르겠어요.
What do you want to say? Yes. I want to play Zelda for longer time.
longer time.
Okay. Yes, I want to play Zelda longer time. Good. Then how long do you want to play Zelda?
I want to play Zelda for 9 minutes.
9 minutes? Only 9 minutes? That's a little
9 hours.
9 hours. Like today only?
아니,
Only today?
오늘은
No, in English, please. Try English.
today
Today. Okay.
I
Today I
study homework.
I do homework.
I do homework. I do many homework.
But
my mom.
my mom. Oh, my mom.
닌텐도 스위치를 안 줬.
My mom didn't give me
닌텐도
Nintendo
스위치.
Switch. Okay. Today
얼마나 공부를 많이 했는데 닌텐도를
really?
못 하겠어요.
Okay. So you just said today I did many homeworks, but my mom didn't give me Nintendo Switch.
아니 근데 저희가 좀 이상한 게 뭐? 아니 뭐?
In English, anything, just speak in English, and then I can help you. So what next? What do you want to say? Okay. So then, how many hours do you want to play Zelda tomorrow?
I want to
I want to
play Zelda.
play Zelda.
하고 hour이랑
Oh, how many hours?
hour 시간. 그때 삐때다. I want to play Zelda. Full. 30. 2 hour.
2 hours.
1 hour.
1 hour. Tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's a great sentence. All right. But what can I say? Do you want to play Zelda on TV?
Yes, I want to play Zelda. TV.
On TV.
On TV.
Okay, I see. Do you want to play Zelda on bigger TV?
Yes, I want to play Zelda on bigger TV.
I see. Then what can I say? Alright. Oh, I want to ask you, where did you go last Saturday? After my class, where did you go with your mother and grandparents? Where did you go?
I went to 거기 갔는데 거기 어디지? 뭐였더라? 지혜의 숲.
Really?
알아요?
The library.
네.
알아요? Yeah, of course, I love it.
가봤어요.
Yeah, sure.
호텔도 있던데.
Oh, that's right. I went there many times.
많이 갔어요.
Yes, I like it. So did you like it?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why not?
선생님, 지금 몇 프로예요? 끄실 수도 있겠다.
Oh, that's right. It's less than 20% now. I don't know. Probably I'll be okay with
이거는
this class.
충전되는 거 아니에요?
Oh?
이거 원래 하면 충전되는 거 아니에요?
I need to bring my charger, but I didn't bring my charger. But I'll be fine, don't worry. But thanks for your concern. Okay, so you went to the Forest of the Wisdom, which
이거
is
또
the
있는데
library.
거기 가기 전에 또 갔어요.
누구예요?
이상한 데예요. 뭐였더라? 거기에
In Korean, no. In English, yes. Hands?
네?
Gun?
아니 엉덩이가 다 나오고
Really? Where is it?
엉덩이가
Huh?
엉덩이 다 찢어가지고 이러면 좀 거기 그 게임도 있는 곳인데 거기 어딘지 몰라요.
Okay, so did your grandfather drive car? No? Then who drove car?
Yes.
Yes.
My grandpa
Uh-huh.
car.
Okay, yes, my grandpa drove car. Good. Okay, so how long did your grandpa drive? How long did your grandpa drive? How long did your grandpa drive? Yeah. How long did your grandpa drive?
My
Uh-huh.
grandpa
My grandpa
drove
drove.
for
Uh-huh.
1
Mm-hmm.
hour.
1 hour. Okay. Then what did your grandma do in the car?
My grandma
Mm-hmm.
play.
Uh-huh.
My grandma
Mm-hmm. Played into the switch.
my grandma
Uh-huh.
전화.
Ah, okay. My grandma
My grandma
was
was
on the phone.
on the phone.
I see.
네, 할머니는
Mm-hmm.
그나마 몰라요.
What is it?
저희가 게임을 한번 해요.
Hmm? Really?
이거는 왜 게임을 못하게 하는 건지 이유를 알겠는데.
I don't know.
선생님 하루에 몇 시간 해요?
Me? Like 1 hour?
1시간?
Less than that. 30 minutes?
30분?
I think so.
이 형님은 공부를 안 하면서
Hmm.
뭔 장난감도 뭐 하루에 진짜 많이 사주고.
Who?
형님.
Jaden?
응.
But I think you have the most toys. You have a lot of dinosaurs. Everything is yours.
이거 왠지 알아요?
Why?
중국에 형님 차가 더 많아요.
Really?
아니 차가 몇 대인지 몰라요? 한 대, 두 대, 세 대, 네 대. 아예 이 집을 다 지배할 거예요, 차들이.
That much.
아니 나도 모자라요. 아예 지구를 다 덮을걸요.
Wow.
얼마나
that's a lot.
많은 차들이.
Then what about Sam? Does he have a lot of toys?
게임 하나는 돼요.
Sam is okay with one game.
예,
Then maybe Bunny.
버니.
Uh-huh.
버니는
Bunny and game.
형은 잘 때 버니만 만져요.
Mm.
아니 잘 때도 만지고 놀 때도 만지긴 하는데.
I see. I see. So what else? What else can you talk about? We should talk about something. Or do you want to do some Quizlet now?
퀴즈렛
Yeah, it has been a while we haven't done it.
해봐요.
Yeah, let's do some Quizlet. Can be fun.
이 퀴즈랑 이런 거 어떻게 만드는 거예요?
I can make it. Do you want to know how to make it?
예. 이거 뭐야? 이거 뭐야?
Oh, wait a second. Did I not use my internet today? Yes, I did, but how? Oh, I have the internet here. Okay, so there should be yours. Don't know.
15% 나오네.
Really? Oh, 17. Still okay. Still okay.
좀 있으면 버틸 수 있긴
It's
하네.
really slow now, right? Then okay, let's do this thing first. Not this thing, but
선생님 숙제 요즘 너무 어려워요.
it's not. It's easy.
어려워요.
See, what about this then?
아니 댐도 나오고 했는데.
Wow, it's extremely slow now. Anyways, let's go. What is it now? Ethan, let's go. What is it?
이게 일단은 과거는 아니죠.
It's present tense.
그럼 그거네.
What? What is it?
아닌 것 같은데. 아니야. 아닌데. 아니야.
Try, just try.
M
Yeah.
I
Kinda next.
I
I
will
will
not eat
eat
apples.
apples. Okay, next.
He
He
will
will
not
not
나이스.
Nice.
Be nice.
Oh. Okay, next.
이게 5개밖에 없어. I am
being
kind.
Okay, next.
배워왔나요?
Oh, do you remember now?
has
Woo! Has
he
he
런드
Wow.
런드 코리안 아닌가? 예.
100%.
저
와우.
맨 밑에 거 틀릴 뻔했어요.
Really?
빈들.
I think so. You got confused somewhat, so a little. 28. And then what are the 3, 3, 4, 3, 6? 3, 3, 4, 3, 6 is really slow now.
16 아니면 15일 것 같아.
3, 3, 4,
선생님.
3.
선생님 집이 저쪽이면
6.
선생님 집에 왔는데 배터리 다 달걸요.
It's okay. I can go home and recharge my computer. This will be fine. Okay. So maybe we can go to next level.
단다.
What's next level now? Oh, it's a little too slow. Maybe I should bring the charger here. Yep, this one.
이게 레벨 2라고?
This one.
아니요. 놀는 게 행동이죠. 그러니까 did he want to play who
Who there?
그래서 저도 뭐 하려다 이렇게 된 적이 있어요.
Who did he want to play? Is it? Are you done? Okay. Then this one. He. It's fine.
He
Did? No. Tense is wrong. Tense is present perfect tense here.
맞네.
So.
He has
Yep. Not.
expected works.
Are you done? Okay. Alright, let's go next.
다 틀려서 그런 것 같아.
Then make it right.
He did not is not want to play.
Okay, next.
I like
To
eat apples.
Okay, apples. Next.
달았나요? 아니 파는 게 S부터 시작했는데.
Oh, right. Buy and what?
보트인데. 아니.
S-E-L-L. E-L-L.
sell.
Yeah, sell.
He.
What is question?
아니 팔았나?
Mm-hmm.
was
Mm-hmm.
he how
How
was
how
how did 팔았나요?
Mm-hmm.
과거 아닌가? 행동이 있나? 있네. How did he
Mm-hmm.
sell
Mm-hmm.
many? 아닌가?
You try. It's okay. Try.
Cars?
Mm-hmm. So how what?
네?
How did he sell many cars?
네.
Okay. It's okay. You'll learn this. See? Look at this. Who did he want to play? You didn't put with.
아니,
이럴 줄 알았지.
네. 아니, 선생님. 아니, 제가, 아니, 왜 자꾸 이거 틀렸다고 다 하고 왜 틀렸냐고 하는지 알아요?
왜?
이러잖아요. 뭐 틀리면 뭐 이러잖아. 이러잖아요.
누가 내가?
네,
나?
틀리면은 아니 뭐
나 안 그러는데?
아니 뭐 이상한 거죠 말하면 이러지 않아요.
아닌데 전혀? 그래? 자 봐봐 또 틀린 거를 잘 짚고 넘어가면 다음에 맞출 수 있어요. So what about this? He has not expect brilliant. He has not brilliant, but
아니 이건 답이 두 개예요?
the last change. Yeah.
답이 두 개는
이 중에 하나만 하면 돼. Last change is ed. And also this is action and this is action too. So you should place two.
선생님 저는 이거 답이 다 맞았는데 아이비드 스크할 때 아니 이거 틀렸다고 이거 다 하고 하는데.
Oh, you shouldn't do this that way. But anyways, and this. What about this? How many cars? Right? Now you know. It's okay. But how many points is it? So 5 and 2.
7.
Okay. You try 7 times.
100은 넘어가네.
And then 2, 5. Is it? 8 and 5.
이건 뭐 적당해.
The next. Let's do it one more time. You'll do better. You'll do better.
근데 잘할 때 100점 맞을 때까지 해야 돼.
Not really, but you just do more.
Oh,
same thing?
왜? 잠깐만. 아니,
You can do it.
잠깐만 까먹었는데.
He.
다른 거예요. He. He did. He did not.
No, it's not the tense. You need to see the tense. It's present perfect.
맞네. He has not expected works. 아니야. 이거 맞나? 아닌가? 몰라. 예.
Okay, next.
Why?
Alright.
Why?
No, we'll change this first. Wait. I'll change this first.
끝날 때 됐는데.
No, we have 7 minutes left. We'll finish at 40.
아, 아니네. 6분 남았는데.
Uh-huh.
아, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 아홉, 열,
Okay. I'll remove some questions with 2 answers. Yeah, just like this. Who did you want to play with? This one.
60. 뭐야? 어? 왜 35분 돼야 되는데?
Okay, this one too.
너무 빨리 했네. 50. 51. 53.
Okay.
54. 55. 됐다, 됐다. 아, 1분 지났다. 이제 5분 남았나, 5분. 300초 남았어. 뭐예요, 선생님?
Deleting some confusing questions here.
선생님, 이제 1분. 이제 1분 지났어요.
I know, but it's important for you.
important. 그건 또 해보래.
It is important.
방금 뭐 지운 거예요? 이상한 거 지웠어요.
2 answers. Can you not push the desk? Thank you.
됐다, 1분. 2분 지났어요, 선생님, 지금.
I know, but I cannot stop it. It's just important.
내가 끝나겠어요. 4분밖에 안 남았어요.
Yeah,
남일감
I think
4분.
this should be the last.
남일감 4분.
And this.
이건 3분 지나.
Okay. Finished. Alright, now we can go. Can you not push the table? Okay, so this one. Same things over and over again.
또 똑같은 거예요?
Yeah, always the same things.
희한한데. 나요. who
Yeah, who?
did
Mm-hmm.
he want to play with you?
Next.
with 아니 몰라. he will
And what?
will be he will want to drive.
Next.
He he did not play. He did not. 와. Want to play.
Okay. Next.
Why
Good.
will I 결정하다. 그거였는데.
What? It starts with D.
D? D. 아니 결정.
Decide.
decide? 맞나? 잠깐만. decide?
It's correct. I
많이
said it.
들어봤는데.
I said it is correct.
많이 들어봤는데.
While will I decide? Is that right?
Why will I decide it?
But two actions at the same time, you cannot do that.
B? 아니야. Why will I decide? 모르겠는데.
Okay. The next.
She. How? Many?
Oh, when you cannot count is much. How much?
How much she drink water?
Okay, 7.5. Yep. 8%. I'm not worried about the battery. I'm worried about.
근데 형이랑 수업할 때는 몇 킬로 했는데?
I came here with